Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to fix one of the most annoying problems you can run into when trying to send USDT, especially when you keep getting errors like you don't have enough TRX to cover network fees. And here's the key point you need to know. You will not need any TRX at all. I was stuck with this problem for a while, but finally found an easy fix thanks to ChatGPT. Okay, let's start now. I discovered a service called TronAct. This service helps solve the problem when you don't have enough TRX for fees, allowing you to complete transactions without constantly worrying about gas. It turned out to be a simple and practical solution. ChatGPT also went into all the technical details, like how Tron Energy actually works behind the scenes and all that stuff. But honestly, we're not really here for the deep technical dive. So let's go ahead and open this website. So we're on the website now. Nana, let's take a quick look around. The link is pinned in the comments. As you can see, the site basically shows the same stuff ChatGPT was talking about earlier. So nothing too complicated here. And honestly, this is where things get really useful. So, because with this, you can save a lot on gas fees when sending USDT. I've personally used this multiple times already, and it's actually saved me more than once from that super annoying not enough TRX problem. Instead of stopping everything and figuring out how to get TRX, you can just handle it right here and keep your transaction going. So, yeah, if you've ever been stuck because of fees, this is a really simple way to avoid that headache. All right, let's not waste time and try the main thing. Bar one, see, I am buying Tron Energy for a single transaction. In Trust Wallet, we connect to TronAct. I've actually connected before, so in my case, I just need to accept their user agreement, and that's it. After that, I'll be able to get a discount on sending a 1 USDT transaction. Okay, looks like the Tron Energy has already been credited to us. So now we just refresh the wallet and try sending the transaction again. All right, so let's try sending USDT again. And okay, let's see what happens. Nice. As you can see, TronAct covered the entire transaction fee for us. Okay, let's send this transaction and see if it goes through without any errors, guys. All right, the transaction has been sent. It might take a little time for the confirmation. And while we're waiting, feel free to subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you find this helpful. I'd really appreciate it. Let's refresh the transaction history to make sure everything went through without any errors. Okay, looks like everything completed successfully. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helped you avoid those annoying errors, my friends.